1, 2, check 1.
This group of high schoolers not only spends a lot of time on their academics, but also on developing their personalities. Some Incirlik students have found a way to work on both through music.
We like to call ourselves tricore because we mix post-core, hardcore, and punkcore, but really it's a mixture of punk rock and hardcore music.
15-year-old Keaton Daniels is the lead singer of Queen Anne's Revenge.
Time ticks by.
Local music teacher and professional musician Shannon Daniels is proud of his son Keaton.
To see him up there taking the lead, it's really exciting. I know what it feels like to be a lead singer on stage, and so to see him experience that is a lot of fun. Music is important because it gives kids an outlet, and some kids may not have any other outlet.
He also says there's a direct correlation between academic success and music involvement.
Dodds has actually done some research on it, and 1 year of music, you go up 10 points higher on standardized tests, 2 years, 20 points higher, so on with SATs, ACTs.
Mr. Daniels admires the band members' efforts.
They are very driven, very goal-oriented, and they just don't want to halfway do it. They really want to step up and give a good, high-quality music. They all lead in their own way. The fun part is watching the dynamics of them working it out. And I think it makes them better musicians and better in daily life because you have to learn to work things out with other people to be successful.
Keaton has big plans for success and for contributing to the community.
Specifically to the band, it's to get our music out there and just to be, a household name. Overall, I think it's just to make other people happy.
Does that sound good? Y'all like that?
It's the greatest feeling in the world, It's why we all play music. We come out here just to make other people happy with our music.
These band members are improving their academics, building their leadership skills, and contributing to their community, all while doing something they enjoy. Airman First Class Brian Biggie, Incirlik Air Base, Turkey.